First, click Get Aseprite and pay $20.
Number. Psych! That's the wrong number!
First method is LibreSprite. You probably heard of this before. It is the simplest and easiest way to get Aseprite for free. It is compatible with Mac, Linux, and Windows. But here's the catch. It comes with an older version. If you want a newer version, follow these steps. First, go to this Git repository, link in the description. First step, click this fork, create a new fork. Then, click Actions. Head over to Build and Release Aseprite. Click Run Workflow and wait around 6-7 minutes. Once finished, go back to code. Then click Releases. Choose your desired operating system. Here I chose Windows. Open folder. But before anything, quick scan for any viruses before and after, alright? But as you can see, the latest version I just downloaded was safe. Now we are ready to extract everything for a few seconds. Click the executable file. Boom, you just have a free latest version Aseprite. Yep, it works. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.